You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this country in West Africa. We're going to be looking at how to say more confusing country names, including the name of the capital city, so stay tuned. Loads to learn here. So it was named by a Portuguese gentleman, an explorer, and that's why it's got this name. So in Portuguese it would sound something like Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone. But in English, and it's normally pronounced in English, it's pronounced as Sierra Leone. Yes, English is the official language, so Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.